Morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. I'm over here at the allotment garden this morning, just doing some things that I need to get done there. It's back to looking wild again. I haven't been feeling well this week, and I just kind of let it go. But it is what it is. It'll still produce food. So I'm just going to be going out here. I'm going to be doing some pruning of the tomatoes and seeing if there's anything ready to harvest. I've been harvesting throughout the week. A few cucumbers here and a few cucumber there. Zucchini. Tomatoes are in abundance, but they're all green, so they're not ready to be uh, harvested yet. I'm excited for those because I think those are going to really come in hard. But let's go ahead and get this started. You can see all this rain we've been having. Starting to see some damage on my leaves. That's for our zucchini. But we got little tomatoes growing on this one. But there's a lot of these leaves here that don't produce. And I'm just going to come in and prune those up. Here's a nice one down here that we're not going to mess with. But it's time to prune. And this was a sucker. Got away from me. But I'm not going to cut it because there's some blossoms right here. So we're just going to let it go. But we're just going to be coming through here and pruning and get some of this, as I call it, the jungle down. We don't need all the extra foliage. That's what I'm going to do. We're just going to go through and I'm going to go down this whole rows, 2 rows actually, of tomatoes and just trim them up and get those taken care of. I went ahead and gave these plants a good haircut. See all those tomatoes growing? That's the first row there. Come around here. Look at that. All the way down there. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. We have our banana peppers growing. Those are ready to harvest. They're the green peppers. Some of our jalapenos are looking really nice. Went ahead and took one off. Yeah, he flew off. I must have disturbed him. Yeah, I don't know if you could tell or not, but those bees were like covered in the pollen of those flowers. I mean, absolutely covered. And I'm sitting here looking now, and now there's a little hummingbird. But that's what we want to see. We need to bring our bees back. They need to have plenty of stuff to transfer, because if it wasn't for the bees, our garden would not be here. We wouldn't be here. So that's why bees are so important to me. Like our parsley is coming back from cutting the other day. That is moss parsley, by the way. I tend to like that better than the flat leaf. And then our sage is really coming along. And our thyme, that's wild thyme. It's really coming along. And our carrots, I don't know if you can see them. They are popping up. I'm excited about that. And then our dill, we'll be harvesting some of that to make pickles with our cucumbers we got today. And then the chives are doing very well. From the celery yet, but that's okay because it's more cool weather, so it takes a little longer to grow. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and harvest some of this today. Take it home, dehydrate it. Oh, fresh dill. Smells wonderful. That'll be perfect for some of our cucumbers today. I'll do another video of making a different kind of pickle sometime soon. So if you could, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video and any other video that we have in the future. Have a great week, y'all.